Hey there, and welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are in the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom Metropolitan suite at the Flamingo in Las Vegas, Nevada. So this particular room is on the 24th floor. It's 24079. It's not far from the main bank of elevators. When you first walk in, there is a half bath here, which is fantastic to have. And here we go. So again, it's the Metropolitan suite and it is the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. So I'll take you into the master bedroom first. King bed. This particular suite has a view of the link and the high roller. So you don't have a strip view here, but you do get a view of like this whole fun link area and the high roller and the sports stadium that they're building and the pool. This room has a little bit of wear and tear on it, but it is one of their more recently renovated rooms. Closet with the typical, there's your safe, ironing board, iron, hangers, etc., luggage rack. They are working hard to get all of their rooms renovated. So you have kind of 2 desks in lieu of 2 nightstands, which actually is a little more functional. And they've redone the bathrooms super nicely. So that is the toilet room. Marble shower and separate tub. And 2 sinks with all the traditional amenities. So in their online description, it at the time of booking did not mention that it had a half bath by the main entrance, which is super nice. It's a nice surprise. Okay, so it's kind of designed to basically make 4 people really comfortable, but then also be able to entertain in here. It's definitely set up to entertain in here, so. You would seat 4 at the table, 4 in front of the TV. And then it has this bar area. So if you wanted something catered up here, there's plenty of room to do that. There is a refrigerator right in that cabinet there, and then coffee supplies and microwave. And then this is the second bedroom. 2 queen beds. Same great view. Same closet. And their bathroom is just as nice. It's just set up a little bit differently. So they have the separate shower here. So the main difference is the toilet is in its own room and the tub's a little smaller, but as far as the quality of it, it's just the same. In fact, this shower might be a smidge bigger. Okay, there you go. So that is the Metropolitan suite, which is 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, kitchen/bar area, dining and living area. We are at the Flamingo in Las Vegas, and this is suite 24079. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to comment, leave questions, and we'd love for your subscription. We're trying to build our channel, and we hope this was helpful.